Greetings, hi, hello. Thanks for joining me. I'm trying to shelter as best I can to do a quick intro here for you. It's a shorty, it's only a shorty today. I can't really go out here. You'll see now where I was when I do the few snips that I have recorded. Thank you for joining me. The wind is roaring out of the northeast from there. Post-storm Lara. I took video, but I never did a video to upload. Anyway, I've come along that side of the hut. I've picked up quite a few targets. I've got enough for a Euro Millions ticket. But what I'm trying to show you, now I've got to find it. This is the fourth item that's virtually exposing itself. Just let me see where I detected it. Good golly gosh, I've got a machine, so why don't I just find the thing instead of keeping you wind blown and in suspense. What happened to it? It was screaming at me a minute or two ago while I took the phone out. Oh, that's not it. That is it. Can you see? This is 3 decimal penny by those things. Or is it trolley token? It's neither, I think. What is that? Oh, you know what it could be? An Irish decimal. No, it's a UK trolley token. That's the second one. I found the UK penny already. There's the Queen. Can you see? Queen Elizabeth herself. Grand old lady she became. Although there are some that say that she was involved in lots of funny things too. Anyway, so yeah, finding stuff virtually on the surface. I'll show you a little bit of the muck. So yeah, I'm not going to really show you much after this unless it's worth showing you. I'm actually heading in that direction. I've now discovered that it's here and not there, even although I was finding targets in there, but the tide has turned and it's running in fast. So let me just carry on. Right there I have a target. But I actually want to show you here, that lady over there walking with a white lurcher dog. Well, there's 3 people walking there, so you can't really see. Anyway, over here, she was right upon me, so I couldn't show you as I got it out. I'm going to swing over it. It's not really telling you much, is it? But there it is. That looks like silver, the Clara ring. Let me put it on my finger. And I better watch what I'm doing there too. Can you see? Does it want to focus on it? There we go. It's snapped at the bottom, or it could have been made like that, I don't know. So there we go, that's our first ring for the day, after quite a few other coins, including a zinken, a zinc US Abraham Lincoln zinc penny, as they call by our American friends, zinkens. I want to get that far in the half an hour that I've got left, and then see there by that other productive spot what's happening there. But I think I must return tomorrow at lower tide. As we always say in the classics, stay safe, stay free, and be happy. How happy? As happy as a seagull in a storm. Bye. Let me do you a quick wrap up of all the bump, and then sinker was our first target, fork, tent peg. This was old, something old. Came out with a deep hole. That reminds me of my car now. It's of aluminium and alumaximum. That was once upon a time a little clip for a dog, bangle or whatever, pull tab or ring pull tabs, and a fork. Or did I say and a fork? There we go, that's all our bump. Now let me clear that up and then I'll show you our handful of coins. Fun in an hour. There's all the and a 3/4. The fun and games, including here somewhere is a pre-decimal. There you can see it clearly. Can't really see the date on it. I'm not going to stand here in the cold and wind. Halfpenny, 2 pence, UK. As I said, we have a 1 pence. No, that's not it. There's the Brit, portcullis. So there's 2 UKs. Here's our Zinken. Here's our €2 coin. There's a 50. There's 2 10s, 3 20s. There's a crudder. So there you go. There's a bit of bling. This looks like it could have been the end of a spoon or something. Many moons ago. That broke off there. And then our little ring. So there we have all our bits and pieces. Can you see? Can you see? Thank you for joining me. My cap is blown away. Okay. I have to catch it before it goes totally far away. There we go. Right, so in the car park here is me, 2 other vehicles. They're on the beach. When I got here, there was actually about 6 or 8 vehicles, but that's enough for that. That tree you've seen many times before. You can hear the sea on the other side there. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications.